today we are going to learn about Fathah. So this sign which you are seeing here,
I know that sign.
okay, whenever this sign comes above a letter, then we call it Fathah. What do we call it?
Fathah, like remember the standing fathahs?
No, this is not standing Fathah. It's only Fathah.
Yeah, wait, what
So
about double?
add and it adds an a sound in that letter. The sound of Fatha is a. Which sound?
Ah!
Yeah, the sound of Fatha is a. It is at the top of the letter.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. Okay, oh.
Yes. So we will read. Listen how to we will read. It's Hamza Fatha a.
Hamza Fathah ah.
Mean ta fatha ta. Example, for example,
Fathah ta.
it's jim fatha ja.
Dream Fathah ja.
Yes. So fatha move in the upward direction, like hamza fatha a, ta fatha ta, ba fatha ba, jim fatha ja. Okay.
Okay.
So now, and moving next one is now